Hi everyone, it's Lisa with Lelesdesigns. Today I'm going to show you how to make these pants with a front closure for your American Girl doll or 18-inch doll. You can find my free pattern down below in the description. Let's get started. We're going to start off by pinning the front of the pants to the pocket facing with right sides together, and we're going to sew a 1/4 inch from the edge, and we'll do the other side, same thing, 1/4 inch from the edge. Once that is done, we're going to fold it over, pin it in place, and now we're going to sew a 1/4 inch from the edge, one on each side. And what we're doing is adding a decorative stitch for our pocket, just like this is. I'm going to change my thread color to be a yellow to match the hem of the pants. Flip it over, and we're going to add our front yoke. Match up the darts, the 2 darts here and the 1 dart there. Pin it. Make sure you're only pinning through the pocket yoke and the pocket facing. Do not pin it on the pants, the front of the pants. And when you go to sew it, pull the pants front back so it's not getting caught in the stitches. And you're going to sew a 1/4 inch from the edge all the way here, and pull that back just like that. You want to do both sides. When you get done, make sure you didn't go through that 3rd layer, which is the front of the pants. Flip it over, and we're going to base stitch right along these pockets, just a little bit right there and a little bit here. This way these pockets don't get moved. We're going to place the back of the pants on top of the front of the pants and line up the hem from the front and the back. Pin it, then go ahead and sew a 1/4 inch from the edge and do both sides. Now that you have the side seams sewed out, we're going to stick the back of the pants, line up these seams to match, and pin it. We will sew a 1/4 inch from the edge and stop right there. Then go to the front, and just below the flap, pin it, and we'll sew a 1/4 inch right there. We'll start right at the end of the flap and go down and stop right there. Now that you sewed the back and a little bit in the front area, go ahead and pin your front to your back, and we're going to sew a 1/4 inch from the edge, and we'll go up and around and back down. Turn your pants inside out, and now we're going to fold down the flap. We're going to take the one that's on the right hand side and fold it all the way over. Press it down. Now we'll go to the other flap, and on the other flap we're only going to fold halfway and press it down. Now grab your waist, and we're going to fold down one of the edges 1/4 of an inch and press it down. Add some water to it, and you only have to do one side. Grab your waistband, and you notice this is where we pressed it right here. I'm going to grab the right side of our pants. We're going to start there, and we're going to be pinning it. But we do want to leave about a 1/4 inch extending from the flap. Once you pinned it all the way to the other side, you want to leave a 1/4 inch hanging from the flap So if there's any extra, let's cut that off. Then take it to the sewing machine and we're going to sew 1/4 inch from the edge all the way around. Once you attach the waistband, we'll take the ends, fold right sides together. It'll be just like that. And pin it. And then just sew from there to there. Do the same thing to the other side. Fold down the end. Almost looks like a fan. Pin it. And we'll just sew right there. Once you sew your ends, flip it over. Like that. And then we're going to fold down our waistband. Just like that. And we'll pin along as we're folding it down. Now that you have it pinned to the other side, we're going to go ahead and take a piece of soft velcro and we will cut it to the length of this flap, and we want to make sure it goes over this flap as well. We'll pin that in place, and I'm doing this now because when we do our top stitches, it's going to secure this velcro in place as well as when we add the zip fly. So when you pin this in place, be careful you don't poke yourself like I did. I'm going to change my thread color to yellow for my 2 top stitches up here on the waistband. You're going to sew 1/8 of an inch from the bottom edge all the way around, and then we're going to sew 1/8 of an inch all the way around on the top edge. Next, we're going to make it look like we have a zip fly. So we're going to sew straight down, over, and back up, just like this pair of pants. I'm going to keep the yellow thread in my machine and take it to the sewing machine. Once you have sewn out the zip fly, you want to go ahead and hand sew a button or a charm. And the last thing you have to do is put the velcro on the other side, cut it to the size you want it to be, take it to the sewing machine and sew all the way around, or you can glue it, and that's it. Let me get it on the doll so you can see what it looks like. Alrighty, she is all done and she's ready to go out and play. Alrighty guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button. And if you like to see more of my videos, you'll want to hit the subscribe button along with the bell. This way you'll be notified when my next video comes out. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.